What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So today in this video we are going to check out this BOYA complete set. So if you're a YouTuber, you're a streamer, podcaster, I'm going to show you guys the ultimate BOYA setup in this video right here. So we have 4 different equipment inside this video, which I'm going to show you guys inside this video. So right here to my right, I have the BOYA CastMic microphone. Also we have a mixer right here, which is a BOYA Caster X1 audio interface mixer. To my left, I got the BOYA HP3 headphone, and we have the BOYA boom arm right here. So this is a low profile boom arm. So these are all the complete set that you guys will need if you guys thinking about streaming, if you guys thinking about podcast, if you guys thinking about creating YouTube video like this. So I'm going to go through all of them inside this video, let you guys see how this actually works. Now BOYA did send this all those equipment out for me to try out. I'm actually using all of the equipment right now inside this video right here, from my headphone, from the mic, from the boom arm, and from the mixer right here, which I'm going to go through inside this video and show you guys, basically all of the features of this ultimate streaming, whether you're in podcasting, YouTube video like this setup for your studio. Now first item we are going to look at right here is the microphone, which I'm actually using. Now how I'm using this microphone right now is that I am connected up to my mixer, and I'm getting some audio into my computer, I'm getting some audio into my camera as well. So I'm actually taking audio into 2 places, just for backed up. So let's just look at the BOYA CastMic S60D, and this is a USB and XLR RBG dynamic microphone. Now you might not see the RBG light on it right now, but it indeed have RBG light, but because I'm using an XLR cable, it doesn't bring power to the RBG light. But if I'm using like the USB type C, you will actually see the RBG light on it. So it has a button under the back section where you can press to actually turn on or off the RBG light. You also have a headphone jack as well, which you can plug in your headphone into to actually monitor the audio which comes out of this. And also we have an XLR input, which is really great. Now what I'm booming on right now, I'm using the low profile boom arm, but I'm gonna get to that later on in this video. Now speaking of the mic right here, and the mic itself, we also have a volume knob, but whenever using the XLR input, it doesn't really you cannot really take control of this because everything is being controlled onto this streaming device right here as well. But let us look at some of the features of this BOYA CastMic mic. So it's RBG light, sound reactive, you have built-in sound, which is 29mm capsule, which is talking about the physical build of this right here. We have 1 volume knob control, which I actually showed you guys earlier on right here. Now as I said, I'm actually control everything straight into my mixer right here, which is control the volume gain and stuff like that. Now the exact mixer that I'm using is the BOYA Caster X1, which is a USB-C interface and mixer. So the thing that I like about this mixer right here is that whenever I'm speaking into the camera, or whenever I'm speaking into the microphone right here, I can actually see the volume gain of this right here. So I actually know when I'm over peaking. So let's say if I'm not using an headphone right here, I'm gonna get to headphone later on in this video because this is a part of their collection as well. But if I don't have an headphone and I'm actually speaking to this, I can actually see the gains of this right here, which is really great, and I love how this actually looks. Now we have a volume knob which actually control the volume gain of this right here, so we can actually turn or depending on how much you want to turn up the volume gain. Now we can make 1 click. Now once we make 1 click, we can switch to different mode. So we can mute it, we can switch to the headphone mode by next click again, and also we can switch into the microphone itself, which is the XLR input of this right here. Now behind the back right here, we have 2 out, which is a left and a right, and also we have a USB-C for powering this right here. Now this mixer is connected directly into my computer. I mean, if you don't have a computer, there's no way for you to actually power this, because if you actually plug this straight into your wall supply or wall outlet, it will basically will not take advantage of the amp or the system settings of this right here. So whenever you're using this mixer, ensure that you have a computer which connects it to for it to work best. Also to the front right here, I have my headphone connected to it right here, which I can use to monitor my audio with my headphone, which I have right here, which is really great as well. So this device right here is a great little pickup, especially if you want to monitor your audio and see your audio level and stuff like that, which is really great on this as well. Now the next device that we are going to look at is this BOYA HP3 overhead monitoring headphone right here, which you guys actually see me wearing right now. Now what I have done right now is to connect this headphone into my mixer right here, which I can actually monitor the audio which presented into this microphone right here, which is really great, especially when I'm doing these type of videos. Now this microphone right here is very comfortable, especially when I'm using it for a longer use. Now I have done a full review of this microphone right here, so you guys can check the card above if you guys interested in picking up one of these as well. But an audio monitor headphone is what is important, especially when you're doing those type of videos like this, whether you're doing editing, whether you're doing YouTube videos, whether you're doing podcasting and this type of video. It's a great little pickup. So this, as I said earlier on, is a complete set of BOYA studio setup. So this is a great option that you can have this right here. So the next item which I want to look at is this BOYA arm right here. So this is a boom arm which I'm actually using right now, as you guys can see, and this is a low profile boom arm, so you can actually see right here it can extend a bit. I can actually clamp it onto my decks. Now the thing I like about this low profile arm right here is that it doesn't really get into the way, actually low, so I can adjust it to where I want it. So if I wouldn't want to have too much of it inside the frame, I can actually, put it away. And I love that this right here can actually pops right out. So as you can see right here, can pops right out from my decks, and when I'm using it I can just clip it back right in and actually fit pretty well. So this right here feels really sturdy. I love the build quality of this as well, because most of this right here is made from metal and it's quite adjustable where I want it. And even though this right here is low profile, we can actually extend this up. As you guys can see right there, you can extend it up as well. So it's quite adjustable, as I said earlier on. So as I said guys, this is a great complete setup. This is a great complete set as well. So if you're in this studio like this and you want to have all those type of equipment that listed inside this video, I'm going to have a link for you guys down in the description. And one thing I forgot to mention about this microphone right here is that it indeed come with a stand, so you can mount this on a stand as well. So if you don't want to use a boom arm setup, it comes with a stand which comes with inside the package. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Hope you guys see anything that you like inside this video. As I said earlier on, I'm gonna have links for them down in the description. And yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.